flexing on the gram like, hey. Hey guys, so obviously the other day I was trying to show you my Fenty Beauty products and I just failed at that because obviously I ran out of time. Today I'm going to be using, for the first time, this. It's the Fenty Beauty Galaxy Lip Gloss and it is in the colour Astronautic, because I'm feeling naughty. I'm not feeling naughty at all, I'm just messing about. But yeah. It's so sparkly and shimmery. This is a part of the Galaxy range. I was actually going to get clapback when I visited the concession, but then I got to the till and I saw that they still had some of these left. I was like, ooh, pretty. So this is what I'm going to be wearing today. I am all in black. Yeah, because I didn't know what colour makeup I was going to wear. So yeah, this is what I'll be putting on. So as you can see, my makeup is all done. Oh, if you look at my eyes as well, I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, I'm not looking at the lens. If you look at my eyes, I actually used the Fenty Beauty palette as well from the Galaxy range. This. Ooh. Yeah, I used that today as well because I'm just experimenting. I used the colour. What colour was it now? 1 second. I could never be a beauty vlogger because but yeah, I used the colour Jupiter Sand, which is here on the back there. It's this brown on here. Okay guys, so here goes with this lip gloss. That's what's there. Oh, it's quite thick. Can you see that? I'm just gonna say, the wand is a really weird shape. Okay, so I've just sort of wiped off the Astronauty with a little bit of wet cotton wool, well, damp cotton wool. You know, it's still glittery on my lips now. Yep, it's still very much there. Well, it's not very much there, but it's still sort of there-ish. So I suppose that's a good thing because you're not really meant to put your lip gloss on then wipe it off 2 seconds after. So that's that's showing that it is actually gonna last, I suppose. So I wasn't really feeling that one too much for my look today. So as I said, I did buy a few products and sticking with the naughty theme, we're gonna get spanked with this. Did you really think I was gonna spank it? No, that's not my style. That's not my style. Originally, when I went to the concession, I was looking at the lipstick. In fact, to be honest, my first impression, this can be a first impressions video. When I went and raced down to Harvey Nichols, I was expecting to see like a MAC counter of makeup. I'm not gonna lie, because I looked online briefly and I saw the eyeshadow palette, which is when I said to my mum, yes, that's what I want for my birthday, thank you, even though she gave it me for Christmas. But I was expecting to see more. I was thinking, okay, maybe the range online is small and there'll be more at the actual store. And when I got to the concession and saw loads of foundation, like I can't say anything bad about the foundations range. I can't say anything about the sort of the shades for the foundations basically, because I saw like every shade possible there. Like I just saw pure concealers, pure. In fact, actually, when I went over to the concession, what I saw was loads of foundations, loads of highlighters. I'm not gonna lie, some of the colours on the highlighters I was a bit like, really? But then I don't use like loads and loads of makeup, so I suppose to like a beauty blogger or vlogger or just someone that's really bang on into makeup, they will understand all those 6 million highlighters, because I'm literally just like get my little highlighter shimmery going on, but not like anything that's like, I saw purple highlighters and all sorts. I'm, what? But yeah, so that was my first impressions. And then because I'd got the lip paint from Channette's competition, I was like, right, I'm gonna go get some more of these because that lip paint really, really lasts. It like stains your lip. So I was thinking, yeah, I'll just get some more in like some different colours. And then when I saw that there was only one, I was a bit like, oh, okay. So there's not really that much in the range, but then obviously when I went over to the lipsticks, I saw loads of different colours, and I think it was only like a few days after she released the matte lipsticks that she released. I can't remember what they're called. I'll probably write it down below as I'm reading. It might even just pop up now. There we go. It's there. But yeah, so at first I was going to get Clapback, and then I was going to get Shorty, and then I was going to get, what was I going to get? There's another one I was going to get, I can't remember. I'll write that in the bottom as well. But then I saw this one, which is Spanked. I was like, oh my gosh, love it, love it, love it. So I had to buy this one. So we're going to try this one now. It's really cute as well because I don't know if you can see there. Oh, well, on the top of the lipstick anyway, I'll just say this. On the top of the lipstick, there was a little FB for Fenty Beauty. I thought that was really cute. Like, MAC don't even put, like, little imprints on their lipstick. But anyway, on with the show, on with the show. So there we go, I'll put the lipstick on my lips, but I've not got a liner to line them with, so it looks a bit iffy, but I like the colour. What are you thinking, guys? Let me know. This, as I said, this is Spanked. Spanked. You saucy shorty. Yeah, you see what I did there? Come with a Clapback. Okay, this might have to work with my look for today. I don't know. I'm going to have to find a lip liner. I'm going to have to check if I've got a lip liner to go with, because I need a line, and yeah, my lips are kind of big and they need a bit more definition. But this could work for today. Right, okay, that's enough of the silly little slow motion beauty montages. The other product that I'm going to tell you about now is one that you might have seen me use in my Trafford Centre video. It is this product. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, which is a lip luminizer. Basically, it smells really nice. It smells really nice. Basically, it's like a shimmery, natural looking lip gloss that just luminizes your lips. So if you don't want to add any colour, it adds a little bit of colour, but obviously not anything heavy like a lip paint or necessarily a highly pigmented lip gloss. So this is perfect. And as I said, it's a really nice product. Just let me tell you about this lipstick actually. It's really light on your lips. It's like you can feel the moisture in it, because my lip, I didn't actually put any Carmex or lip balm or moisturizer on before I put this lipstick on, and after I wiped the other lip gloss off, which was probably a silly thing to do. But saying that, while I've got the lipstick on my lips, my lip does not feel dry, and it doesn't feel like the lipstick's cracking or anything. So these, for the £16, which is kind of steep, because I did want to buy quite a few lipsticks, but it's January. Got other things to do, got bills to pay and everything, so I can't really be splashing out on a load of lipsticks to wear on the school run. Flexing on the gram like, hey. Yeah, that's literally what I'd be doing with the lipstick. But yeah, so I just thought I'd keep it at the few that I've got at the moment. Well, the few bits and pieces that I've got at the moment. But yeah, I think I'm definitely going to have to be going on a trip to Knightsbridge, or maybe just jumping online, because if I jump online, that means I won't spend too much, because I won't see anything else I want to buy. So yes, I might actually I might go and purchase the Clapback. Right, anyway, that's that for my Fenty Beauty thing. That is Donzi's Fenty Beauty video that she tried to do the other day but failed terribly. Now I've had to make sort of like snippets and snappets of beauty things that I bought. But obviously I've still got the palette that I need to work through, so I will be doing that. Someone outside is watching me. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my short and sweet Fenty Beauty video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the products, because I'm quite impressed. I think next I'm going to try and get a few foundations, but the way my foundation collection's looking at the moment, I do not need to add any more to what I have. I mean, look at that. How many shades of brown can one girl truly be? That is what happens when you are a dodgy shade of brown in between all of MAC's colours. Even though they've brought in like the colours between 50 and what was it, 45, I'm still in between colours. I still can't find the right shade. Well, I don't know actually. At the moment I'm mixing and matching different foundations each day, but when I get through these, then I will try the Fenty Beauty foundations. Or maybe if I lose control, I might just try them sooner. I don't know, who knows. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss another video of mine or vlog of mine. Until next time.